All right, good morning, Paragon Mills. Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
It's Miss Harrison again, and this morning we're going to teach you guys how to make Play-Doh. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, so we already have our ingredients together here. Okay, so Connor, we're going to start by putting in 1 cup of flour. Can you put it in the big bowl for me? Good job. Next, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of salt. Nice job. How about stacking it in there?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Can you mix together all the dry stuff for me? Real easy. Okay, let's kind of dig a hole in the middle so we can pour the wet stuff in the middle, kind of like a volcano. That looks good. Okay, we're gonna set this to the side.
Yep.
And next we're gonna decide what color our Play-Doh is going to be. What color do you wanna make?
Orange.
Orange. Well, let's see.
Red or yellow.
Well, we need to mix some colors, huh?
Yeah.
We only have red, blue, green, and yellow. Connor says I need to mix
Red
and
yellow.
all right. Let's see.
Make orange.
Okay, let's see if it works.
Yeah. Yeah. Red or some red.
Some red. Here, you want to use my spoon and stir it? Real easy. Okay. Now let's add some yellow. Okay. Stir it some more for me. It does look orange. You were right. I think I'm going to do a little bit more just to make our Play-Doh really bright. Okay. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Okay, next we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. You can use cooking oil, or I've heard baby oil works, but I haven't tried it.
Baby.
No, Connor, I'm gonna measure
Okay.
away from my my water, because if I accidentally measure too much and it spilled, I wouldn't know how much was in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there more?
Nope. Now we can pour
Pour
it in. You go ahead and do that for me.
Oh, okay. Can I do?
Here, let's use this big spoon.
Look.
Now what are we doing?
Making Play-Doh.
I'm stirring. It does look pretty orange. How about you stir?
Okay.
Try to get all of that mixed in. See this powder on the edge? We want it to stick in. You know what, Connor? Let's use our hands.
Yeah.
Okay. Get your hands in there, and I want you to mix all of the powder in with the orange.
Wow.
I might use a helping hand to hold the bowl still, huh?
And this hand helping too.
This is really good for fine motor skills, for getting those little muscles. You want to help too? Okay, keep going, Connor. Can I help you?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on the counter for us. That might make it a little easier. And you can use parchment paper or sprinkle a little bit more flour down so it doesn't stick.
Flour.
Okay, now we're gonna knead it. That means just take your fingers like this, okay?
Okay.
And kind of squish it together. Your turn.
Like playing.
It is like playing. Push hard, make it flat like a pancake. Great job. Looks pretty good, Connor. Let's see.
Now make it like a ball.
Like a ball, that's right.
Like soccer ball.
This is pretty big. I don't know if it'll fit in our container. Now we're ready to store it until it's time to play again. There we go. You can either use one of these airtight, like a Tupperware, or I think they even have these at like the Dollar Tree.
Yes.
It did fit good. Or a Ziploc bag is fine too.
Oh.
Was that fun?
Yes.
What do we need to do now?
Clean our hands.
That's right. We need to clean our hands and clean up our area, and then we'll be all done. Thank you for checking in with us. We'll see you next Friday. Don't forget to click subscribe. Bye.